Hi, Thinkbox Toys family. I'm Emily. This is my husband, Jar.
Hi.
And we wanted to bring to you one of our super fun and creative Thinkbox Toys Marble Race builds. We've got other instructions online for some of the more common builds that you find even come with our instruction pamphlet in our box. But half the fun of this STEM toy is that you can do anything with it. So we thought we would walk you through our process and how the creativity happens, and we have no idea what we're gonna build or how it's gonna turn out, but we'll give it a shot. So, Jar, you wanna tell them what you're thinking here?
Well, I think we're gonna start up top, and we're gonna bring it over and around back into the box, have another landing there, come off, split it off 2, maybe 3 ways, and take it both ways, and we'll see where it goes.
And you might see some books, because we have found from doing this that we often need little shims to make all of the levels right. And so we've got some of our favorites down here if you try this, so you may want to grab some other things you can use as shims as well. So,
Okay, let's get going.
alright, so how do you want to start? You want to use a small base?
Yeah, small base up top.
Okay. And we use this one because this obviously isn't going to collect the marbles, so.
Pieces, some ramps to bring it down and over.
Okay.
And then
So you
maybe
thinking out that soon? Okay.
Yep.
Ooh, that's fun.
drop that down there.
Okay. Do you
Now
have another connector tube so I can just stabilize it right here?
Absolutely.
Alright. So far, so good.
And maybe we start by building another base here, so that we have something to build up
To build up
onto.
to. Okay. Maybe some tubes. Oh, whoops,
well,
that's a
maybe even-
collector.
Oh,
Alright, so
is
that's a collector piece.
That's the starter piece. Yep.
Yeah, that's a starter piece. So we'll put that up here. We'll move that up here.
There.
Okay.
And then, because that'll take it down from there.
Oh, I see what you're doing. Okay, got it.
So
That works. Maybe a piece coming out, the curvy.
sure.
There it is. So we want the hole, as you can see, to go into the tube. That gets us a little bit closer. Actually, we probably,
Are we gonna need a book here?
no, I don't think so. One more tube?
No, it's not quite a tube. That's about a book.
Okay. Oh, Chuck Norris. That's a great book. Alright.
Is that still not quite thick
Yeah, I
enough?
think we should try it.
Maybe we need Voltaire.
Alright, let's try Voltaire. Oh, well, I think Voltaire does it.
Okay, that's it.
Alright, so still a little heavy, we just need a little bit of support here.
So we could always just temporarily do a tall stack to hold it up.
Okay.
Couple more. One less.
And maybe Chuck Norris here.
Okay.
There we go. See, look
That
at
works.
Chuck coming in handy.
All right. Now, where else can we? Maybe even if this came off into a funnel,
Mm-hmm.
and then
I think a funnel actually here might be fun.
sure. Yeah, I like that. I'll hold this.
Okay. Oh yeah, I like that a lot.
Yeah, that looks good.
Okay, so we just need.
Oh, we grew
Oh,
one.
perfect. That's good. You wanna hand me another connector?
There you go.
And maybe one more here.
Okay.
Okay, looking pretty good.
Okay, so,
Well, you keep building. I'm gonna grab a couple marbles so we can test them.
all right, that's good. It's good to test it as you go through, see what direction it's gonna go. I'm gonna come off of here, maybe even switch back, and then from here to here. Okay, so take that off, see if I can balance this on my own. precarious builds, but they're fun. There we go. All right. And then from here,
Okay. By the way, aren't the light up marbles so much fun?
I love 'em.
We love them. All right, so we'll stick those in there.
okay, so we need another start point.
Ooh, maybe we can have like a little crisscross action. Have another starter up here.
Sure.
Should we have a collection base down there?
We can. I was thinking it might come out further. Let's put another start up here and see what we have got left. For
Okay, you want to hand me
there. No, it's a starter.
a base?
So yeah, maybe you're gonna have to
Okay.
use the.
All right, so
You want to start off with a.
a funnel, sure.
Okay.
And give me another starter cup for over here. We can see our starts.
There you go.
Okay.
Maybe down into a ramp here. A little slide.
Why don't we build this up a little bit, because I like the crossing area.
Do you got enough pieces there?
And maybe one more. And how about one right here?
One right.
Oh, right here.
There you go.
Okay, looking pretty good.
I can
How about a series of straight ramps?
Okay, so. Oh, whoops, that's not how I meant to put that together. That one on top of there. Okay.
Okay, so, and then how about a couple to support under here?
Mm-hmm. Oh, whoops. One too many.
Great. Okay, so this is fun. Maybe we bend it back
Mm-hmm.
and come underneath again.
Sure.
Where's a tall, we can play around with the different ramp sizes. How about another purple ladder?
Okay.
That'll give us some runway to
Little
get
bit of,
back.
and a little bit of drop.
Yep, a little bit of drop, a little bit of runway. Oh, nice. And then just a connector underneath. Whoop.
Okay.
Alright, we love these wheels. They are so fun. Make sure it's
Oh,
clipped in all
yes,
the
no,
way.
snap it in there. There we go.
And I may just need a bit more stability up here, but
Well, we can actually
Connect
connect it
it.
to there.
good
That'll
thinking.
keep the whole thing a little bit more monolithic.
Yeah, that works. Okay, great. So now we just need maybe a funnel right here.
Okay.
And another series of ramps. I kind of feel like from balance, we need to come back over this way to this
Okay.
part of the table.
That.
And now we can come this way.
So maybe this one does drop down into a collection here. I'll put that there for now.
Okay, great. And then do you want to give me like, so what if we do, let's have it drop a little bit. And then this is gonna be a support point here.
That looks right. Oh, right there, okay.
Yeah, looks good.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, so this is not snapped in. There we go. looks pretty good.
I like that.
Yeah. Do you have any action pieces left? Oh! Cool.
Oh,
Cool. Okay.
I put that on the wrong side.
This is why we use the marbles to test.
There we go.
Nice. Alright, and no missing action pieces.
Nope.
Sweet. So just like that.
We probably could have gone a little bit higher in some places, or maybe stretched it out a little bit more with the extra pieces. But
Let's oh, ha! We have another hole.
oh,
All of them are dropping into. I was like, that's pretty cool. All right, so we will just switch these real quick.
I'll collect these.
And we'll try again. So we're getting a little stuck here, and it's probably just the angles. We'll adjust this a bit. Come up.
There we go. Snap in.
Ooh, those are shooting out.
So when you do builds off of uneven surfaces like this that don't match up exactly to the piece heights, you'll get some areas that'll be slightly out of level, and that's why you got to shim them up a little bit more, a little bit less. Make sure you get a good even flow through.
There we go. Looks like it works.
All right.
So we love coming up with these crazy creative builds when we're bored. Our kids love doing this. We'd love to see what you come up with. So shoot us a message on Facebook. You can find us at Thinkbox Toys. We would love to see a video of some of the crazy creative builds that you come up with. Take care and have a great night.
Thanks. Bye.